I'm shooting today with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in pure day mode called Super Day, and I leave it on for the reasons of I don't want those exposure spikes. So I'm at the new JFK. Yeah, they all just came out with me just like that. So we're getting out of the airport and we're at Terminal 1. Let's get on going. DJI Osmo Action 6 going to be like, Fish, with internal mic, where they changed the mic to put in the front rather than underneath. There people go, man. That's why I want to look at the Nikon Coolpix P1100. We got a new sign. Expects delays. For our clothes. Plan alternate routes. Brooklyn Bridge, Houston. Oh, we're not even near. A wonderful, super day it was. So bright and powerful to share a video. And on that note, I'm Fish. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, I did some shots today, did some riding, saw a fire engine, walked the dogs, and yes indeed, going to get my dinner. I need to start looking for a parking spot. There's nothing always around over here. Dinner, man, I gotta wait a long time. That's the pizzeria. Grandma's pie. You ever have grandma's pie? Pretty good indeed. I love holding my camera by the thumb bolt. Yes, indeed. Time for me to go pick a song that goes to the video. And I hope you enjoy. Have a great one. I'll see you on the next vlog out there.